guys, RV washing machine. I've had this thing for like 10 years. And I want to get rid of it because I don't like it. It's like, I don't kick it over. Don't be fucking that mean to it yet. We haven't even done anything yet. We haven't even washed our clothes. You stupid bitch. God. But yeah, we got some new entertaining things for once. But now, what we're gonna do is the right side. And now, if you wouldn't mind looking in there, we're gonna fill it up with some water. You want to get close?
No.
Why not?
Because, oh, you bitch.
Oh my god, come look at that. Here, I'll turn it down.
I don't need to look at that. I can see it through the side.
Come in here.
It's disgusting, I know.
Come look at it.
Yeah, I don't want to get near that. That's disgusting.
Okay, here we go. This thing works really well for what it is.
Yeah, honestly, it does for being abandoned forever.
Why is there soap? There's soap in here. We didn't put no soap.
Whatever. It's probably just residual. Where does it come out at?
Huh? The drain pan?
And where's that?
Have fun. Now you can get close to it from that film. Now I kind of feel bad that we're destroying this because this thing was pretty cool, but we kind of don't need it.
Time to blow it up.
No, not fucking yet. Here, we'll what's this?
A box of rocks.
Oh my god!
You gotta stick it on the other side if you want it to really destroy
Drain
it.
pump work?
Yes.
Oh! Look at that water.
And you gotta fish that out of there too.
Oh! That's great. We'll just
We'll let that clean
put that
them
on straw.
rocks for a while.
Nothing needs that.
Yeah, we'll let it clean them rocks. Oh my god, it's taking off.
Yeah, it's shaking the whole fucking thing. Do we need this stick?
No, we do not need that stick.
Kind of dirty. Oh, you're too big? Okay, well.
It's making even worse noises now. Did it die? Oh.
No, it's going.
Oh my god. All the rocks got loose.
Do me a favor, go in my car and get my life. Yeah, let's go ahead and throw one of these in there.
Motherfucker. Oh, that was nothing. Oh.
Oh, it blew up on the side!
Oh,
that
I could smell
stinks.
it. That smells like gunpowder.
Get back.
Why do you think I'm hiding here? Oh shit, dude.
That's a cackle ball for her. Oh my god.
The smoke plume.
Hey, it's safe.
Yeah, it's totally safe now. I can smell it from here.
That stinks.
That motherfucker is smoking so much. What's that? Bottle rocket?
Oh my god.
I bet it's hot, ain't it?
Look in there.
It's smoking.
Oh shit.
And it's also out of water.
Did it go off?
Oh, there it goes. Oh, I can smell it. Something's on fire.
Yeah, I'm trying to drain you.
One of those is on fire.
You can start draining now.
Dude, one of those is on fire.
What do you mean what's on fire?
One of them is on fire. I don't know which. But one of them some bitches is on fire.
It's fine.
Let's open it.
Open what? Oh, the fucking...
Oh, yeah.
I think it's also time... We got the normal shit, but I think it's time to bring out one of these. Silver Salute. As you see, guys, I got my whole treasure chest. I'd bang. Do 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 do.
Oh! Oh my god. Where was it?
I think your neighbors like us that much.
I heard one of them kids out there screaming about a firework.
Let's give them more. God damn it. Don't. If you have to wear
These
glass.
things are surprisingly not doing that much damage.
I don't think I got anything bigger.
Well, I have an idea. Hey, I have an idea.
Oh, wait a minute. Here, tackle
We
ball.
could pull the switch panel open and throw one inside the actual machine with the parts.
You want to throw that in there? See what he does?
Throw it in the internals. By that I
Oh, we
mean
gotta break it
rip
open for that.
Yeah, break it open.
Okay, well, we'll let it struggle and do what it wants.
We gotta throw something heavy in that.
Uh-oh. Oh, that's why.
I need to find something heavy to throw in that really fast spinning noise.
Somebody's rolled by the house.
Well, no shit.
go
We
get
just
the-
set off a fucking silver salute.
Go get the camera. Go get the... Do you got
Oh my
a sledge?
God.
Do you got a sledge?
That sounds like a firework going off. Why did it turn off? There it goes. Honestly, it's not that bad. Just throw the whole thing in.
Ow.
We need to somehow open that some bitch. Hopefully we get some Just trying. Don't do it too much, it'll catch on fire. That'd cost some.
Oh shit, that went in the plastic!
Yeah, that's what we want.
Caramba!
It's like a fucking pencil shredder, holy shit.
Yeah, no shit. Can I... Something's wrong.
We need something heavy. Like really
Go
fucking
get the
heavy.
sledge.
The sledge?
Fucking sledge.
Hold this.
He's gonna go get the special fix-it tool. Go get the crowbar. What else bullshit can I throw in here? I want to borrow this fix-a-flat. My fucking God. Oh. Oh. Ow! Ah! So loud. Oh my God. So he's got the fix-it tool. Hold the hammer. Why don't you turn it on the other side? The other side. Other side. Both. There's
I think it might destroy itself.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let it wait.
But don't be too mean with the Eternals. If you break them, then it won't work no more.
That's the whole point, isn't it?
Don't break it yet.
I'm not breaking it.
Just be very, very fucking careful when you're pulling these Eternals. Okay, there you go. There you go. That's perfect. That's plenty.
I can't pull it open.
Oh no, that's good enough, motherfucker.
Why can't I pull it open?
Yeah.
We don't want to destroy the switches. I want to get to the motor.
Well, the motor's under it.
Well, let's get to it.
Not right there, you stupid bit. Under.
That is under.
No, actually, tip. Under.
The side and under is the same thing.
Do it.
Because we want to get.
Okay, give me the fucking hammer.
We want to be able to get to the
You're
inside.
taking too long.
So we can put a firework up there. That should be good enough. Now we can throw shit in there.
No, we gotta do this side.
That's good enough. There. Hello, electric motors.
Hello.
Now we can turn them on. Don't do the. Go ahead and turn it on. See what it does.
Oh, all the mold and the cancer.
Oh shit, it's lit.
Plug your
Here we go. I think I got it on the camera. I don't know. Well, I'd say it's done now. Don't hit me with it. That's enough. We gotta clean this shit up afterwards.